How to simplify rational expressions. We use the following procedure to simplify a rational expression. 1. Find the disallowed values first. 2. Factorize completely both the numerator and denominator. 3. Cancel out the common factors. 4. Check whether the previous action affects the disallowed values of not. For example, in the rational expression, we have the following shown on screen. We identify the disallowed values first. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Now, we factorize the terms, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. At this point, we cancel out, simplify, the like terms, here 3x minus 1. Thus, we obtain for x not equal to 0 and x not equal to 1 over 3, we have the following shown on screen. Remark. Recall the 8 algebraic identities explained in Tutorial 6.3 and Tutorial 9.3, as they are often used in factorizations and eventual simplifications of rational expressions. Example. Simplify the following rational expressions. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. A. Factoring 3x squared in the numerator and 6x in the denominator yields, we have the following shown on screen. Simplifying 3x and y plus z from both terms, for x not equal to 0 and y not equal to z, yields, we have the following shown on screen. B. Factoring 3x squared, y, z, in the denominator yields, we have the following shown on screen. Simplifying 3x squared y, z, from the numerator and denominator yields, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 11.4.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.4.5, the multiplication of rational expressions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.